My name is Leonard Bouchet. I'm head of the data and archive for Swiss Broadcasting Corporation, in French part specifically. And I'm here at the Radio Archive Day workshop to actually try to enhance or initiate collaboration between all the members of the EBU, especially about machine learning, artificial intelligence themes that are really quite hot now for us.
Hello, I'm Antoine Mercier. I'm data scientist at RTS, and I'm working with algorithms to extract metadata from our archive in order to be able to expose them to the public, to rediscover them. And we are here to show our progress and to see if we can have some collaboration from other members in order to achieve this work.
The challenge we have in our work is actually working with huge collections which are not completely right-free, for example, and opening this huge collection for real usage, direct usage for the public. That's the main challenge, our main goal, our main vision is really to open our archives, and not only our archives, our content, also our data, generally, so the general public, but also journalists, also other producers, can really use these treasures we have inside internally.